Do you want to turn on Do Not Disturb on Instagram? You can enable Do Not Disturb mode in Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Do Not Disturb mode on Instagram is a feature that allows you to temporarily pause all notifications and calls from the app. To enable Do Not Disturb mode on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are in Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. At the top right of the profile page, tap the three horizontal lines menu. Now, scroll down the menu and select Notifications. Under the Push Notifications section, you will see an option called Pause All. Now, tap on the toggle switch button next to Pause All. A pop-up screen will appear. From here you can choose the duration for which you want to enable Do Not Disturb. Select either 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. Once you select, you will not receive any calls, messages, or notifications within the Instagram app. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn on Do Not Disturb mode on Instagram.